Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create Ashely Trevino on Dress to Impress, since they did bring back her eyes. So let's recreate everything from the face, but let me just do this pose because it's funny. So I am going to remove everything. It's not a lot really. And then for the face, I can actually remove everything and remember. So for the eyes, we are going to use this one, and then for the brows, I am using this one too. For the mouth, I'm going to use these lips in this color, EEAA84. I don't use contour, but you can use contour if you'd like to. I don't know what helps. Go to the nose part and select this one. And you can add more stuff to it, but I just use the skin, not this one. I use this. For the hair, I am just going to use this one in blonde and brown. Maybe like, I'll use this one. And then I just use this only bangs and did blonde and brown as well. Okay, actually I'll do all blonde. For the fit, she doesn't really use that much. She uses, well, in the video I see she uses this like dress slash skirt. I don't know what she's wearing, but I'm just going to use these items, some flip-flops, and I just had to color her nails green. And then lastly, we are going to add the baddie necklace, of course. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.